In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to be a Canva creator. If you've been designing in Canva and you're ready to start sharing your work with a bigger audience, becoming a Canva creator is a great next step. I'll walk you through the exact path to find the official application page and what to click once you get there, so you don't get lost or end up on the wrong site. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type "apply as Canva creator." This exact phrase helps you get the most relevant results and makes it easier to find the official Canva page instead of random blog posts or outdated links. Give it a second to load, then look over the search results. Next, look for the result that clearly mentions Canva's own creator program. It should show Canva as the website domain. This is important. Always choose the official Canva link so you know you're getting accurate, up-to-date information and you're not entering any details on a third-party site. Once you see the correct result for the Canva Creator page, go ahead and click it. You'll now be taken to Canva's Creator Hub. This is where Canva explains what the program is, who it's for, and what kind of content you can submit. Take a moment to scroll through if you'd like to understand the benefits and requirements. When you're ready to move forward, look for the button or link that says Become a Creator. This is usually highlighted on the page so it stands out. Click on Become a Creator to start the application flow. After clicking, you'll be directed to the official application area. Here, Canva may show you options or categories depending on what type of content you plan to create, such as templates or other design assets. Carefully select the option that best matches what you want to contribute. This helps Canva understand your focus and route your application correctly. Once you've made your selection, look for the button that says Continue. This button takes you into the next stage of the process, where you will typically sign into your Canva account and provide more details about your work, your portfolio, and your experience. Go ahead and click Continue to move forward. And that's it for this walkthrough of how to reach and start the Canva Creator application. Follow these clicks, prepare a strong portfolio, and you'll be ready to submit your application with confidence.